So, when we talk about different metabolic pathways, when we are studying different metabolic pathways, for instance, glycolysis or Krebs cycle or beta oxidation of fatty acids, you should keep in mind that these reactions are not occurring in some isolation, in some isolated world. They are occurring in our body, and they are responsible for maintaining the overall physiology of our body. Whatever physiological function our body is doing, for instance, even if you see me now, I am moving my hands, I am moving my mouth, I am speaking, I am thinking. This is all because of physiological responses which are initiated or which are given by my body, and they all depend upon the energy which is taken from these metabolic pathways. They all depend upon the molecules also which are synthesized from these metabolic pathways. So, whether it's carbohydrate metabolism or lipid metabolism of or protein metabolism or nucleic acid metabolism, this all is part of the overall or contributing towards the maintenance of the overall physiology of our body. Our body is also is not, we cannot say it's simply a body. It's made up of many structures. It's made up of many physiological systems. It has a blood circulatory system. It has a excretory system, reproductive system, locomotory system, and so on and so forth. And there are major structures known as organs. And whenever we were studying about different metabolic pathways, you should have remembered that we were talking all the times about certain organs because of which these metabolic pathways were occurring. Either they were occurring inside these organs or because of the, in some way or the other, assistance of these organs. The major and most important of these organs was of course the liver, and then there were the kidneys, then there was the our gastric system or gastrointestinal system, then there was the blood circulatory system. So all these systems which are made up of all these important organs, they are responsible for the, for the occurrence of these metabolic pathways. Without healthy organ like liver, you cannot have a healthy metabolism. You may, you will have all sorts of diseases if any of these organs are defected. And we have been studying these diseases throughout this course. Now, finally, towards the very end of this course, we will specifically be talking about certain organs and certain diseases to show you, to let you know how biochemistry and physiology go side by side. Of course, you have been studying it when we were studying different pathways, and all the time we were talking about different physiological systems also, which were involved or which were somehow affected. But now we will be specifically talking about these organs and the defects of which occur in these organs, which give rise to certain diseases. We will be studying about liver, the kidneys, the circulatory system, the gastrointestinal system. These are the major systems which are which are responsible for the maintenance of our body's homeostasis, for our body's physiology, and which are directly linked with the metabolism. We will also be discussing three major diseases: obesity, diabetes, and cancer. Why we consider these three diseases? Because we are not considering them as simple diseases. They are mega diseases. They are mega disorders. and we will see why they are the mega disorders.